sure, here's a full script for your YouTube video on the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A53. It's about 750 to 800 words and fits the style you asked for, Welcome to FK iPhone. If you are tired of the same old phones and want something fresh, today we are diving into the brand new Samsung Galaxy A53 for 2025. Let's get into everything from the design to the features and what makes this phone a solid option this year. Starting with the exterior, the Galaxy A53 has leveled up its look without trying too hard. It keeps the slim and lightweight vibe but brings sharper edges and a more premium feel. Samsung has finally moved away from the glossy plastic finish, offering a matte texture that feels way better in the hand. The phone is available in some fresh colors like deep blue, mint green, graphite, and pearl white, giving it a more stylish touch. The camera module blends smoothly into the back instead of sticking out like a sore thumb. It looks cleaner and more modern, no unnecessary drama. On the front, you get a nearly bezel-less display that stretches out beautifully. Samsung upgraded the screen to an AMOLED panel that is brighter and smoother. It is perfect for those who binge Netflix shows or spend hours scrolling. The punch-hole selfie camera at the top is smaller now, so it does not interrupt your view much. And yes, the phone feels super solid. It does not creak or feel cheap at all, even though it is still a mid-range device. Now let's talk about features, because Samsung packed a lot into this one. First up, the processor is a brand new Exynos chip built to handle everything from gaming to multitasking without slowing down. Apps open fast, games run smoother, and you can switch between Instagram, YouTube, and messages without a single stutter. Samsung also boosted the RAM and storage options so you do not have to worry about deleting photos every week. The Galaxy A53 supports 5G of course, which means faster downloads and better streaming even when you are outside or traveling. The battery got a slight bump in size and it easily lasts all day with normal use. Plus, Samsung improved its charging speeds. You plug it in for about half an hour and you are good to go for the day. For the camera lovers, this phone does not disappoint either. The main camera is sharper and faster with a bigger sensor, so your photos come out brighter and more detailed even in low light. Ultra-wide shots look more natural without that weird fishbowl effect. The portrait mode is cleaner too, blurring the background nicely without chopping off your hair or ears like it used to. Samsung even gave some extra love to the selfie camera. You get more natural skin tones and better focus, so if you are into TikToks or Instagram selfies, you will notice the upgrade right away. On the software side, Samsung S1 UI just keeps getting better. It is clean, smooth, and packed with features like custom themes, split-screen multitasking, and the ability to answer texts while watching YouTube videos. Plus, you get long-term software updates so this phone will not feel outdated after a year. There are also small but important details that show Samsung listened. The under-display fingerprint scanner is faster now. The stereo speakers sound louder and fuller. And the phone still has an IP rating for water and dust resistance, which you do not always get at this price. Sadly, the headphone jack is still gone, but honestly, at this point, it is expected. Now for the conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A53 2025 is not trying to be a flashy flagship killer. It is more about being the reliable, everyday phone that looks good, feels good, and does not make you empty your bank account. It is perfect for students, busy professionals, and anyone who just wants a solid phone that covers all the basics and then some. Compared to last year's model, it feels like a real upgrade instead of just a minor refresh. If you are tired of overpriced phones that barely offer anything new, the Galaxy A53 is definitely worth checking out. It is proof that you do not need to spend a fortune to get a great experience. Samsung really nailed it with this one, and it shows they are serious about their mid-range game. That is it for today. If you liked the video, smash that like button, subscribe to FK iPhone, and hit the bell so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Would you also want a shorter version or maybe a few punchy title ideas for the video?